Good morning. Today I will be talking about Moodle Zoom to Panopto integration. Before setting up the Moodle to Zoom integration, we do recommend that you provision your Moodle course to use Panopto first. Although each Moodle course needs to be individually provisioned to Panopto, you will only need to enable the Moodle to Zoom Panopto integration once, and the setting will apply to all of your Moodle course with Panopto provision currently and in the future. So let's get started. First, you will need to go to the Panopto Library, which is oakland.host.panopto.com. Once you are in your library, click on your name, which is on the right hand side. Click on User Setting, and here you can see there's a setting that says Moodle Zoom to Panopto. Click on that and then click Update. Now Zoom recordings that are made in your course will automatically show up in your Panopto library. Now, if we go back to your Moodle course page, if you want to add a Zoom activity, you need to turn editing on by clicking that button. And then you will need to add an activity or resource under the topic that you would like to add the Zoom. In the menu, find the Zoom logo, which is this one. And I will name the Zoom session and recording. Alright. Then you go into privacy and uncheck this final box to make sure that adding a Zoom activity will not add another grading criteria to your gradebook. And then hit save and return to your course. You can see that the Zoom activity is now added. You will need to turn editing off. Then click on the session. And then schedule a new meeting. You can name this meeting anything you want. I will name it Week 1 and just the topic that the Week 1 will cover, which is GPU. For Zoom, if you want to learn more about these settings, please refer to our other help resource in the Zoom session of the e-LIS help library. Alright, then click Save. And then you can click on Start this meeting to start recording. Once you are in your meeting, click on Record. There will be two options: record on this computer or record to the cloud. You will want to click Record to the cloud because if you record on this computer, the recording will not be automatically uploaded to your Panopto library. So click on that. And then you can start the recording. So one feature that Zoom offers with Panopto integration is that every chat that are sent publicly to everyone will be added later on in the recording menu as a discussion post. So I'm just gonna add a comment here. Let's call it hello testing. Any chat message that are sent privately will not be visible in the discussion tab later on. And then there are also two ways to stop the recording. You can click on this button to stop recording, or you can just simply end the meeting and that will also end the recording. Once you end your meeting and the recording will be processed, once it is done processed, an email will be sent to you to let you know that the recording is ready to be viewed. So once your Zoom recording is finished processing, you will receive an email that will look like this to let you know that you can now view the recording. There will be two links in this email. The first link can only be viewed by host, and the second link is for you to use to share the recording with your viewers. And when you go back to Panopto Library, if you hit refresh, you will see that the video is now in your library. And if you go back to your Moodle course, hit refresh, you will also see that your recording is now in the Panopto block over here. In order to add a Zoom video as a Panopto activity, just click on Add Activity or Resource under the topic that you would like to add this resource to. Click on Panopto and then select Content. You will see the recording that we just recorded. Week 1 GPU is right here. Click on it and then choose Insert, and then the name will automatically be populated, and then just click Save and return to course. Now you can see that the activity has been added. So this video will also have all the settings that a regular Panopto video will have. And let me show you. And the public chat that I put in the Zoom meeting earlier is now in the discussion tab. And also, if your Zoom meeting have auto transcript, it will also be added under the caption block here. Alright, that is it. Thank you and have a nice day.